Today we're going to talk about another product that is available through Sloan Express, and it deals directly with the RowMax units on your John Deere corn heads. When I say RowMax units, we're going to specifically talk about your gathering chain sprockets and not have anything. We're not going to talk anything about your knife rolls, that type of thing. We're just going to specifically talk about the top portion, which is, like I said, your chains and sprockets. And one way to identify whether you've got RowMax or not, can easily check your sprockets. It'll be an 8-2 sprocket, just like this dry sprocket and this idler sprocket I have here. That's one way to identify it. Otherwise, you can go to our website and check it out as well. It's going to be specific to late serial number 600 series heads, 700 series, and the new C series corn heads. There is a chance that it could be an earlier serial number on the 600s, but it'd be one of those things you'd have to know that you've changed them out over time, or just like we talked about, identifying by those sprockets. So we'll just go specifically into it right now. On the dry sprockets, you can see it's got that hex just like what's up at the front, and it'll also include the V-ring. I know I've had a couple guys ask about that. We do include that with this dry sprocket. And then you've got your idler sprocket, just as well, an 8-2 sprocket, has the bearing already pressed in, ready to go. And last but not least, your gathering chain. All separate piece parts. We don't have a kit yet per se, but we are focusing on that as well. But right now, we have all the piece parts in stock, ready to go. So if you happen to have any questions on it, you can check it out on sloanex.com or give us a call at 800-934-9777.